Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to fix when no sound plays after you connect your earbuds with a phone. Firstly, I recommend to restart your audio player. So let's say you listen to music in Apple Music. Just remove this application from the cache and then open it again. Also, I recommend to go to the App Store or Google Play and check if you have the latest software version for this application. If you haven't updated, it can fix this problem. Now, if it didn't help you, next step is to check if you have the latest version for your earbuds. You need to open Show Me Earbuds application, and of course you need to add your earbuds to the app. Then you will see the same menu and you need to scroll down, but here we have Update Firmware. Firmware is the same as software, but you need to sign in into your account, because without it you cannot check for updates or update software version. After you sign in into your account, tap at this line, and if you have the same information, it means that you have the latest version, and if you haven't, you can enter inside and update this software version. Next step is to restart your phone. So I use this earbuds with a phone, I need to restart this phone. If you use it with a tablet, you need to restart your tablet. And if all of these methods didn't help you, we need to perform a factory reset. To perform a factory reset, you need to put both your earbuds to the charging case, but do not close the case. At the bottom, we have connectional button. You need to press and hold this connectional button for at least 10 seconds. Firstly, it starts blinking white. It's okay. You just enter to panic mode. Don't worry. Just keep holding this. But okay, I need to make it again. Yeah. So we just wait 10 seconds. Here we go. Now we can release finger, and then we need to reconnect them with the phone. So go to the settings, then Bluetooth or connected devices, and at the device list click the information icon or settings icon near to your earbuds. Then forget this device and forget device. Now if you have Android, click pair new device at the top if you have this button, because not all Android phones have it. If you have iOS, turn off and turn on the Bluetooth. After factory reset, these earbuds enter to panic mode automatically, so you don't need to use connectional button, you just tap on them at the device list. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!